Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down one of the most unique sport riding jackets I've ever seen. This is the all-new Alpinestars T-Stunt Air textile jacket. Okay, the all-new T-Stunt Air retails for $349.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update videos when prices change, only when the product itself has been completely
redesigned. I am not an auctioneer like him. I would stutter
I wouldn't say, yeah.
Does that make sense?
No. Let's dive into some sizing.
Dive into sizing. I am 5'11", 170 pounds, and I am wearing a medium. I'll have to say, it fits snug, especially in the arms. But I like that style fit. So,
it's a good looking jacket. He has no idea what he's in for, and neither do you guys right now.
I just put this thing on about a minute ago.
I ordered this thing in for review. I had no idea. I just looked at the pictures. I didn't read the words. This jacket is going to be what I would say probably the most high airflow. Right, say you're riding somewhere like in Texas. They're still dressing me. He's 19. Okay. High airflow jacket. Say you're in a hot place, Texas, Southern California, and man, it's wear a t-shirt, because if you put a leather jacket on or something, or a textile jacket, it's gonna be oppressive, right? And you're not gonna want to be out there. So, option one here. You open that up, mesh panel. You still have all your protection here in the elbows, forearms, shoulders, CE level 1 armor included in the jacket. We're going to give you a close-up look at that. This also has the pockets in the back for the back protector that accept both the standard and the full coverage piece. Highly recommend adding those on, sold separate. There's a Velcro patch here. It'll accept the full Alpinestars chest, right? No pockets, you have to Velcro it to it. That's optional. The back protector, I would say, is a must-have. So, airflow option one there. You're like, really? I mean, dude, you're saying this jacket's going to be amazing in the hot weather. How? Well,
I'm confused right now.
Yep, I'm confused too. But the confusion is about...
Is this assault? No.
To be ended. It's probably not meant to be done this way, but...
No way.
Yeah, wait till you see this, dude. You are going to...
Sleeveless.
No.
What does it do then?
It's even better than sleeveless.
Just hang out?
Yeah, pretty cool.
What the heck? Okay, that is pretty cool.
It's actually pretty cool.
And this is glued and stitched on.
Stitched on. So they're using a real heavyweight mesh. Like, that's legit.
Yeah, it's legit. That's not.
So that's gonna abrasion and tear resistance.
Yeah.
Right. The armor's stitched over the top of it, so it serves as a really good framework for that to hold all that in place. Let's do the other side too.
Man.
Not the easiest thing to do while wearing it. You probably would prep this, like, if you know you're going out for a ride and it's a hot day, you're probably just going to unzip all this shit, right, while you're in the house. There's also, I'll show you in a second, there's a pocket. You know, I have to put his earplugs in now, too. He just started wearing earplugs. We were at Road America. We have a new experimental M4 muffler. It's loud.
It's very loud.
And he put his earplugs in for him.
Hell yeah.
It just never ends. So now, now... you're picking up what I'm laying down. You're like, wow, dude, this is going to move a lot of air. And it's a different way to keep the rider protected while
just to make some shorts
being
like
as
this
cool as possible. One more. Right here in the back. Same deal. I'm just going to quickly fold that in there. You can probably take your time and make that look super great. So basically... yeah, I mean, it's like wearing nothing. That's going to flow so much air and then serve as a framework for that armor that you're not giving away all the protection. Is this going to protect you as much as a leather jacket? No, negative.
Simply.
However, a lot of textile jackets, they're good for at least a crash, right? Looking at the materials they've used here, and Alpinestars, of course, always does their homework.
High quality.
It's going to help hold it together, right? You're going to go out. Hopefully you never fall down. Nobody wants to. But if you do, you can be cool on those super hot summer days and still have protection built in. And this thing looks...
it does look pretty sweet. It's the most unique jacket I've ever put on in my life. I was not expecting this.
It looks pretty sick.
So,
hand warmer style storage pocket here in the front. This is, notice I said pocket.
Yeah.
Right? There's like a little built-in pocket, I think on this side. Reach in there. It's on that side, yeah. Just on the one side, okay? Back of the jacket, you have like a, I don't know what they call, rabbit pocket, kangaroo pocket, whatever the hell it is. My guess is you would put your sleeves in there. If you're out riding around, you're going to take the sleeves off, take the jacket off, fold them up, put them in that pocket.
Gonna put it in the rabbit pocket.
I can't wait to see the comments on this one. You know, I mean, some people are going to look at this and be like, oh, that's just, it's like an icon jacket with zip-off sleeves. It's so squiddly.
This is unique and this is awesome.
Yeah, I think it is. It's got a really cool look to it, you know, and you're not giving away all the protection, but you're picking up all the ventilation.
All the ventilation and convenience. So
Yeah, it looks
kind of
sick.
an all-in-one kind of deal.
Yeah, it looks absolutely sick. If you like what you see so far and you want more details, stay tuned for the second part of this video. We're going to get this jacket off Max, take it apart, give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. Inside out, the all-new Alpinestars T-Stunt Air Textile motorcycle jacket. This is one of the most unique jackets we've probably seen in a long time. Going to be great for hot weather riding. Like we showed you in the first part of this video, this outer portion of the sleeves zip right off both sides. The shell of the jacket itself, from entry and exit, right, to ventilation, this is without a doubt one of the most unique pieces we have seen thus far. Front of the jacket, like we showed you, the main panel here in the center, you zip these two zips down, you're able to fold this panel down, right? Kind of stows away neatly inside that pocket, flowing air freely through that large mesh panel. Zippered hand warmer style storage pockets, okay? Both sides, there's like an internal pocket inside, or the pocket passes all the way through, right? Super unique. Actually, never seen anything like that before. The sleeve of the jacket, they're using a very heavyweight mesh on the outer portion of the arm from cuff to shoulder. Stitched to it is level 1 CE certified soft shell Nucleon Alpinestars armor. Serves as a really good framework for that. So wears light and airy. It's going to flow as much air as probably wearing a short sleeve shirt. So, you know, if you're riding in hot weather, you want a little measure of protection, this is going to be a great choice. A lighter mesh on the inner arm. Still flows air freely. Back of the jacket. Got a large zip open mesh panel back here at the top. Same style as the front. You just fold that down into this pocket. Tons of airflow in that area. Volume adjustment here at the waist is going to be done with textile, Velcro, and a D-ring. Storage pocket here, kind of like a rabbit style storage pocket, kangaroo pocket, whatever you want to call it. Across the back, this is going to be the spot where when you take the sleeves off while you're out riding, you can fold those up, put them in there, stow them away until you need to put them back on your convertible jacket. Inside the jacket, entry and exit is going to be managed using this zip that spans from the neck down to the waist on the right side of the jacket. Throw it open. We have a waterproof storage pocket down here on the left side with a zipper at the top. This will be your only internal storage. If you want to use chest armor, you have to use the large chest piece. It has Velcro on it. It'll Velcro right to that, hold itself in place. Adding back protection to this, obviously we highly recommend that. This will accept either the standard or the full coverage protectors. It's got that dual stage pocket in there, great addition to this coat. It also comes complete with 2 attachment loops that these will simply unsnap. You feed it through the loop on your riding jeans, reattach it. It's going to help keep the jacket overlapping the riding pants to keep you safe, secure, and covered in that area. Comfort fabric here at the collar. Like I said earlier, this is one of the most unique riding jackets we've ever seen. Is it for everybody? Probably not. This is aimed at people that are riding in some of the hottest of conditions and don't want to give away all the protection and just ride around in a t-shirt because it's 100 degrees out and you're in Texas, right? And it's just basically oppressive when you're trying to throw a leather jacket or even a textile jacket on top of that. This is that great compromise, wears light and airy, tremendous airflow, but then it does have a solid measure of protection to back you up in case you fall down. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.